Hey guys. Hi. Dixie. Dixie. Hey. Hi. Hi, puppy. Dusty. Dusty, look. No, I'm bored. Dixie. 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 She's not gonna look at me. Okay, we'll try going from this way then. There we go. There. What's he doing? Dixie. What's he doing, puppy? Dixie, hi. Hi, puppy. Dusty. Hey. Hey. Hey, look at me. Oy, look at all the snow we have. Yes. My goodness. Oh, that doesn't work so good. What? Are you tired? Oh, are you tired? Yeah, a little bit. You need a nap. You might have to go outside some more. Yeah. Go play in the snow for a little bit. Yeah. You go run in the snow. You can go play in the snow. Yeah. You're very sweet, do you know? Sure you are. Just a cute puppy. What do you think? Hmm? Yeah, is that right? What if we move my camera like this? Hey, Dixie. Dixie. Dixie girl. Hi. How you doing? Say hi. Yeah, say hi to the kids. Say hi, kids. Yeah. That's a girl. Good girl. Good puppy. Yeah. You say, when are you coming to visit? What's out there? Oh, what do you see? Oh, there goes my laundry. Yeah, there's the laundry. I have to go get that. Yes, we will. Sure we will. You're very good. Yes, you are. It's a very good puppy. Yeah. Can you say hi? Say hello. Who's out there? Is somebody out there? What do you think? That's right, I know. There's a lot of snow out there. Mm-hmm. Yes, there is. Lots of snow. Okay. You want to say something else? You got more to say? Yeah? Good. What else? Is that it? That's all you got? What did you see? What did you see? You got your reindeer? yours? Is that your reindeer? Yeah, that's your Squeak? Yeah. Alright, can you say bye? Okay, bye. So I'll talk to you later. Dixie. 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 Say see you later. Dixie. Good girl. Alright. Say bye. Say bye, Dusty. Dixie. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You say bye some more? Just a little bit? Alright.